Hi, I'm Jody from Poppywinkle. Welcome to my channel. I'm not big into videos about purchasing things because junk journaling is mostly about using what you have. However, I realized I do a lot of shopping at hardware stores. And so I thought I'd do a quick video about the things I've found at hardware stores and why I love them. So first of all is this super sturdy toolbox thing. Um, it was $23, and wait till I just show you all of this stuff. These things come out. This is all stuff that I had just from life. I'm a sewer. My grandmother was a sewer. Her buttons are in here. Yeah, photo corners, reinforcements. This is my daughter's glitter. I have to admit, if she ever wants it, she can come back and get it. But she left it here when she moved, and I'm using it. So that's how that goes. This I got for a Christmas present. This is my wax thread. So that's new. And embroidery floss, like this is all stuff I had, and I wanted some place to put it and grab it. So it has a top container. Did I tell you this was like 23 bucks? All of these little things come out. You can move them around. My brads, my doodads, more photo corners, more brads, blah, 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 blah. So this thing is fabulous. It's square. It's so sturdy. It's going to last forever. And it's flat, so I can stack things upon it. Even the handle folds down flat. So this thing is amazing. Did I tell you it was $23? Okay. Uh, so if you go like to a craft store and try to get something like this, first of all, it's going to be very pretty, admitted, but it's going to be rounded. You can't stack on it. It's going to be flimsy. It's going to be 50 bucks. This thing is incredible. So love my little toolkit, my big toolkit. And on that note, I also had a couple more things. This was $7. I put all my jewelry stuff in there. All the little pieces of jewelry I took apart. And my jump rings. Snaps closed. Super secure. So my last storage purchase, this was $3 and something cents. I bought 4 of them. Super stackable, super sturdy. 3.5 by 14 by 10 inches. And I put all my stamps in this one. The stackable I love because I keep my stuff in my closet. I'm not out looking at it. I don't care what it looks like. And so stackable is perfect. So other stuff, I've got this sandpaper kind of thing, really rough, but it's on foam. And if you want to rough something up, if you want to make it look old and frayed and faded, this thing is incredible. And so I got that at a hardware store. Use that all the time. I use this all the time. It is super pointy down here, and it's great for making holes. But the great thing about it is after you get it through, you can decide how big you want your hole to be, because the further you push it through, the bigger the hole gets. So an awl is a great little purchase for a junk journaler. Key tags. I did a video on this, but these are things like if you're giving your car to the mechanic, you put your name on it. I got those at a actually I had them. I didn't go buy them, but you can get them at a hardware store. And then I turned them into little charms, and I'll link that video below because they are super fun. These, I did not do anything with these yet, but oh my goodness, something is going to happen there. You know, you just wander through and you're like, what? I've got to buy those because that is inspiration in a packet for $1.43 or whatever it was. So craft paper, this is thin. I don't know why they, I do know why they sell it, because if you're painting and you don't want to drip on the rug, you put this stuff down. So it is, you can hear, it's super thin, but I use it for a lot of things. This is a bigger one. I actually bought it for my business. I wrap my little Rolodex cards in here. In case you don't know, I'm the largest manufacturer of Rolodex cards in the world. Now this is craft paper, but it's so thick and yummy. Also purchased at a hardware store, and this is so good for wrapping a journal in. That's what I did to cover all my ephemera storage journals, because it's thick, it's, you know, none of the glue shows through. It's just so delicious. This is really nice. And it would make great pages. These would make good pages too, but they're crinkly thin. So, but it's good stuff. What else? Oh, well, there's the classic paint samples. I always feel bad about taking too many of these. I only take a couple at a time because I'm using them for false purposes, but that's okay. But look at these. These are little houses. Look at these little houses. You have to make a house out of that, right? And look at this one. This one has a window. What's going to happen here? Something is going to happen with these. And even this catalog, look at this big pull out gorgeous page. Where is it? Oh, here. Oh, look at this. And some of these are glued on, so there's texture already, like what? Belly band? Bang, bang, bang. Pocket? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I do feel bad about those. But I took them. Look at me. I took them. Yes, I did. All right. This is a favorite. I've already made 2 videos on amazing things I make from drywall tape. And I bet there's more. I bet there's more coming. Drywall tape, getting in the painting supply store. Actually, probably most of this is at the painting area. I don't know where the awls are. Actually, I don't know where the awls are. But anyway, so from the drywall tape, I made tickets. I made strip collages. These are fabulous to have, because if you want to tag, anyway, I made videos of all of these too. So there's a strip collage video, there's a ticket video. I'll link those all below. I'm not going to go into it. And that is my hardware store haul for now. I bet there's more. Thanks for watching. Bye.